Imagine a vehicle once meant to transport kids to school, now transformed into a symbol of rolling luxury. The 2025 school bus has undergone an evolution no one saw coming, reborn not just as a mode of transportation, but as a statement of opulence on wheels. In a world obsessed with customization and high-end living, the iconic yellow school bus has been flipped, stretched, and supercharged into something that feels more like a luxury yacht on land than a former fleet vehicle. Enthusiasts, engineers, and custom car shops have taken this blank canvas and created a masterpiece that's turning heads everywhere it goes. The 2025 school bus luxury conversion takes the foundation of a traditional full-sized bus, spacious, durable, and instantly recognizable, and adds layer upon layer of premium refinement. It all starts with the exterior, which gets a complete makeover. Gone is the flat yellow paint, replaced with sleek, metallic finishes ranging from matte black to brushed silver and even custom wraps with chrome and carbon fiber patterns. LED underglow lighting, fully tinted privacy glass, and 22-inch polished alloy wheels create an imposing yet elegant look. Some versions even feature electronic sliding doors and retractable stairways, giving you the feeling of boarding a private jet. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more astonishing. Plush leather captain's chairs replace the old bench seats, now reclinable, heated, and equipped with massage functions. The floor is redone in hardwood or premium vinyl, often with customizable lighting beneath the panels. The walls and ceiling are soundproofed and layered with suede, velvet, or premium leatherette. Custom ceiling panels mimic starlit skies with fiber optic LEDs, while ambient lighting sets the mood for any journey. The interiors don't just look luxurious, they feel like the lounge of an upscale hotel. The entertainment systems are where things get next level. Think 85-inch OLED TVs, Dolby Atmos surround sound systems, and built-in PlayStations, Xbox consoles, and VR setups. Wi-Fi connectivity is standard, powered by satellite or 5G boosters to ensure uninterrupted streaming and gaming. There are even touchscreen control panels embedded into armrests, allowing passengers to adjust lighting, climate, media, and seating preferences without lifting more than a finger. For those who want to work on the go, the bus includes mobile office setups with fold-out desks, conference call capabilities, and full-range charging stations for laptops and devices. It's not just about the interior. Under the hood, most of these buses are getting performance upgrades that push them far beyond what they were originally built for. Some retain their powerful diesel engines but with major tuning and turbocharging, while others are being swapped entirely for hybrid or fully electric powertrains. These upgraded drivetrains offer not only smoother rides but also more environmentally friendly performance, which is becoming increasingly important in today's eco-conscious world. Regenerative braking, solar panels on the roof, and battery systems for off-grid capabilities make these rolling luxury suites as sustainable as they are comfortable. Security and tech features are at the forefront of these conversions. Facial recognition entry systems, biometric safes, and GPS-tracked security systems are standard in many builds. Some buses even include drone surveillance with automated launch and return features, providing a 360-degree eye in the sky while you're parked or traveling. Inside, smart glass windows can shift from clear to opaque with a touch, offering instant privacy. Motion sensors and real-time monitoring systems ensure that passengers are always protected, whether they're parked at a scenic overlook or cruising through a major city. What's remarkable about this trend is the variety of people drawn to it. Celebrities and influencers are hopping on board for red carpet arrivals in style. Digital nomads and content creators are using them as mobile homes and production studios. Even luxury event planners are booking them as VIP lounges on wheels for weddings, music festivals, and private parties. There's an undeniable allure to the idea of living large in what was once the most mundane form of transportation, and people are fully leaning into it. One of the most impressive examples comes from a Florida-based custom shop that took a 2025 Bluebird school bus and turned it into a six-figure mobile palace. Outfitted with marble countertops, a fully equipped kitchen, a king-sized memory foam bed, and even a hot tub in the rear section, the bus has become a viral sensation. Another build out of California went a different route, creating a luxury tailgate experience with a built-in grill station, pop-up canopy system, retractable TVs, and high-end audio gear that rivals any concert stage setup. What's pushing this movement forward is a perfect mix of nostalgia and innovation. The school bus, a symbol of childhood and structure, is now being reimagined as the ultimate adult playground. It's about freedom, comfort, and making a bold statement wherever you go. For those who grew up dreaming of being different, riding in one of these conversions is like taking the past and rewriting it with style and status. You're no longer a passenger, you're the main character. Manufacturers have started to notice the hype too. While most current builds are aftermarket projects, there are rumors that mainstream bus companies are exploring the idea of offering luxury trim levels or DIY-friendly base models specifically made for conversion. With the van life and luxury RV scenes growing fast, the school bus luxury niche may soon have its own slice of the market, with factory-backed options and financing plans that make it more accessible than ever before. Whether you're into customization, mobile living, or just want something that turns every head on the highway, the 2025 school bus luxury conversions are setting a new standard. They're bold, they're extravagant, and they're rewriting what a vehicle can be. From transporting students to transporting dreams, these buses are proof that anything can be reinvented with enough creativity, craftsmanship, and a touch of luxury.